How to use Siri on your iPad. So in this video, I'll show you how to turn on and set up Siri. Now, first go and unlock your iPad like this, and then click on your settings to bring up your iPad settings. From the left-hand side, scroll down to Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now click on Talk to Siri, and this is where you need to select your Siri phrase. So you can either set this to Hey Siri, or you can also choose Siri and Hey Siri as well. So this is basically the phrase you say to go and activate Siri on your iPad. Once you've selected a phrase, you'll see this window pop up on the screen. You'll then need to read out some phrases in order to activate Siri. Now there'll be 5 different things you need to go and read out, and this is important in order for Siri to work. Now once it's turned on, head over to the home screen on your iPad. You can then go and say the phrase either Siri or Hey Siri, and it should then bring up the Siri voice feature where you can go and ask it specific questions. If it doesn't work the first time round, you may need to go and restart your iPad, and that's how to set up and use Siri.